Hi everyone, I'm with my friend Jelani here. Really happy to welcome you, man.
Thanks for having me, brother.
Thank you so much, brother. So could you please introduce yourself to everyone? I know a lot of people, you know him already, but
Sure. So, hi everybody. My name is Dr. Jelani Clarke, neuroimmunologist by training. Been building, participating in the decentralized science space for the last 5 years. Prior to that, I was in academia and early stage pharma, but for a number of reasons that pushed me actually into the DeSci space, trying to help solve the issues with inefficiencies, misaligned incentives in science, and to kind of transition from being a scientist to more of a builder in the space.
that's the point today. We're talking about the challenge about building an idea as a scientist, as a searcher. So what is your opinion about the challenges today with all the beautiful technology we have versus maybe 3 years ago to build any idea?
I think there's more opportunity. The challenge, as we were talking a bit before, is staying up on what are the current opportunities. I think the biggest challenge for today's builders are that there are too many opportunities, and this is a good problem to have. But to stay apprised and to know about all these different things that you can tap into, I think that becomes a difficulty. But that is beautiful compared to an era of paucity when there just wasn't as many opportunities. So I think there has been no time better than right now, and probably progressively, for you as a builder, you as a scientist, and I'm speaking from a scientific angle, but you as anybody, an entrepreneur, builder, to go and try and build out exactly what you need for yourself, and hopefully that helps other people. And once you have that, that can become a business. But there are so many tools with AI now, vibe coding, all of these assistants to help you build out the technological solution that you may need for whatever problem you're looking to address.
And again, a reminder, guys, vibe coding is build whatever what you want as chatting to an AI LLM model, whatever, GPT, Gemini, Copilot. So you said, for example, create an e-commerce, putting XYZ product for me. Or for example, create a search engine for EBC data, right? So everything is possible, which is today amazing. Yeah. So Jelani will be present Tuesday 23rd for Caffeine Montreal event. I'm really honored to have him with us. So you're gonna join, you can give shape to your idea. So why, Jelani, according to you, other scientists should join this event?
I think it's really important for scientists. So because to what you said just previously, the technical barriers to actually developing have come down drastically. AI has exponentially reduced those barriers. And so if you're somebody operating in the scientific space, in any space really, but again, if you're operating in the scientific space and you have problems, technological problems, you can code or you can help develop an app that solves your problem, right? You can just go in and say, exactly, I'm having this issue. Develop a code using Claude or Coffee or whatever favorite app platform that you want. Coffee is a great one. Caffeine, is a great one. To actually build the code to develop the application that can suit you. So this is a call to action really for anybody, but especially if you're a scientist. Science is paradoxically so Luddite in the way that it works. A lot of our interfaces, a lot of the applications we use look like they came from Windows 1995 still today, right? Faxes are still the way to go. Science, ironically, being the industry that pushes forward innovation, is one of the slowest industries to actually adopt said innovation and to innovate internally. And I think a lot of that is just mindset. And so now that we have these functionalities, I think it's time for science to innovate for itself and not just for everybody else. So this is a call to action to many of the brilliant scientists here in Montreal. And if you're near Montreal, or if you're in Canada, I highly recommend for you to come over as well and preach it to any other scientific network that you're a part of. Like, now is the era for science to build for itself, build better tooling, more efficient pipelines, ways to achieve the innovation that we're all looking to achieve as scientists.
Exactly, give shape your ideas. Scientists build the future, and scientists are creative. That's something we forget to say, guys, because a lot of people, I think creativity is only for artists. I'm sorry, like the most important creative society, by the way, big up to Richard Florida, a Toronto writer and a friend. he explained in his book, Creative Society are scientists, artists, managerial, and entrepreneurs. So scientists are part of building the society of future and society of tomorrow. Join us during the event. You can build wherever you want. Try it, play with it. We're gonna have the prizes to support and push and pump these scientists and other creative, not technical or technical. All of you guys, you're welcome. So join us Tuesday, 23rd September at 4 p.m. and let's make some noise from Montreal. Thank you.